Hello, in front of me I've got glorious Series 1 Pro VIDAR. In this video I'll show you a preview of this mouse. First, let's take a look at the box of the mouse. Here we can learn about device name and weight. This is ultra light wireless gaming mouse with solid shell that weighs only 49 grams. On the side of the box we can find serial number and manual inside the box. Let's take a look at the mouse itself. As we can read, it's ultra wide with solid shell, no honeycomb holes and no RGB. Let's talk about dimensions and shape. Mouse is compact, symmetrical, taller back hump for claw and finger tip. It has 100% rounded edge and connectivity 2.4 GHz wireless or wired USB-C charging. Battery lasts up to 84 hours at 100 Hz pulling rate. Full charge takes about 3 hours. The mouse has dedicated PC app. It has adjustable lift-off distance, debounce at rate 0 to 60 milliseconds, 2 additional buttons on the side, and pulling rate up to 1000 Hz. The sensor is glorious BAMF optical up to 19,000 dpi range from 100 dpi. This mouse has approximately 400 IPS tracking speed and up to 50G acceleration. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.